Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you what you can do to set up your new SSD or hard drive after you've installed it. Let's get right into it. So you've put in your new SSD or hard drive and you go to your PC section in the File Explorer and you notice it's not there. Don't worry, nothing is broken. This is very intentional. You just need to set it up. The first step is you need to either press the Windows key on your keyboard, or you need to go down to the Start button down here, and then type into the search bar, Computer Management. And then you want to click on it. And after you've clicked on Computer Management, you're going to want to click on the Disk Management section here. If you don't see it, click on the little arrow next to Storage, then click on Disk Management. If this is your first time opening this up after you've installed your new hard drive or SSD, you're going to be given an initialize disk prompt. This is good. So make sure the disk that you've installed is selected, and I recommend you stick with GPT, which should be ticked by default. Then you want to click on OK. And once you've done that, you'll either see a new disk volume here, or you may need to scroll down a bit if you have multiple storage devices. The next step is we need to now partition the drive. So I want you to right click on it and click on New Simple Volume. And so you're going to need to click on Next. So for the simple volume size, we're just going to leave the value as it is. This means we're going to be using the entire storage capacity of the SSD for this volume, and click on Next. Then you can give a letter if you like. You can pick any letter you like that isn't used up by another drive. I'll leave it on F. Then click Next. And you're going to want to make sure Format this volume with the following settings is ticked. NTFS is going to be your file system. Allocation unit size, make sure it's on default. And you can even give your volume a name. I'm going to call my drive Big Chungus. And make sure Perform a Quick Format is ticked. Don't tick Enable File and Folder Compression. Then click Next. And once you've done that, click on Finish. It may take a while to format the drive, but you'll be told when it's done. And once it's done, it's going to open up that drive in the Windows File Explorer. And also, if you look at the Computer Management, you're going to see your new drive. In this case, it was Big Chungus. And if you go to the File Explorer, as you can see, we can now see the new drive, and we can use it. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.